I am really excited for this motion light. I'm going to show you in my closet in just a moment, but I wanted to show you up close here. So we have the bracket on the back, and all you do is just turn it to take it off and then charge the light. So super easy to install. Let me actually show you this up close here. So you can see it comes with the charging cable, the hardware to install it, the remote user manual comes in a nice box. So this would make a great gift. And then there are two buttons right here. So if you hold down the button for a few seconds, it's going to turn on the light. And then you can have it be on all the time if you want to, or you can switch it to be on motion sensor, or you can switch it to be on night mode. And this one's actually the motion sensor one. So I put this in my closet. So let me show you here. This is really cool. As soon as I opened my closet door, the light immediately turned on. You can see how bright it is. I can see the true colors of my clothes. This is the white setting. You can do this in other colors too. And you can change it on the light or you can do it with the remote. And this is really bright. It's 550 lumens with a high CRI. And it's just nice that it automatically turned on when I opened my closet door, so it was super convenient to use. You can also use this in your pantry, a laundry room, a garage, even in a shed. And all you do is just charge it in the back here when it starts to die. So this is super nice, and I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.